What if I told you that some creatures live, move, eat, and even respond to danger without a brain? Sounds impossible, right? But nature doesn't follow our rules, and some of its strangest survivors are proof of that. Let's begin with the jellyfish. Graceful, hypnotic, and completely brainless. Instead of a brain, jellyfish use a nerve net, a simple web of neurons spread throughout their body. This system allows them to detect light, orient themselves, and pulse rhythmically through the ocean. It's not thought as we know it, but it works. One species, Turritopsis dohrnii, can even reverse its aging process, essentially becoming young again. That's right, a brainless creature that might live forever. Now meet the sea star, often called a starfish. With no centralized brain, it uses a nerve ring and radial nerves in each arm to sense touch, temperature, and chemicals. If a predator grabs one arm, the starfish can detach it and grow it back later. In some species, that lost limb can grow into a whole new starfish. So not only does it function without a brain, it multiplies without one. Then there's the freshwater hydra. Tiny, almost alien-like, and practically immortal. Despite having no brain, the hydra can hunt, digest, and regenerate indefinitely. Scientists have observed that these creatures don't seem to age. In fact, recent studies suggest that hydras could live forever, barring injury or disease. No brain, no aging, just endless regeneration, but it gets even weirder. The giant tube worm, living thousands of meters below the ocean's surface near hydrothermal vents, has no mouth, no digestive system, and definitely no brain. Yet it survives in extreme environments by relying on bacteria that convert toxic chemicals into energy. This life form thrives where sunlight never reaches, in pressure that would crush a human, and all without a single neuron. So how do they manage all this? Unlike us, these animals don't need a central command center. Their bodies operate on distributed networks, simple but efficient systems that respond to stimuli directly. And in some cases, that simplicity is the secret to their survival. Here's the twist. Scientists are now studying these brainless beings to unlock new frontiers in medicine, artificial intelligence, and even aging. Creatures like the hydra and jellyfish may one day help us live longer, or build smarter machines that don't think like us at all. So the next time someone says you need brains to survive, just remember, some of the most resilient creatures on Earth never had one to begin with. And if that amazed you, imagine what else nature is hiding. Hit like, drop your favorite brainless wonder in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. We're just getting started.